everyone, and welcome back to another week of Techy Tuesday. In today's video, I'll be showing you how the MLS integration works with your new KW Canva account. We're going to start off inside of your KW Canva account. If you don't already have an account or you're not sure how to log in or log in mobilely, check out one of our last videos. We posted all about how to create that new account and how to log in mobilely, as well as how to access the brand kit and the brand templates. Starting off on your home page of your Canva account, we're going to navigate to any design. This could be a recent design or a design from the brand templates. I'm going to navigate over to brand and choose one of these brand templates here. I chose this open house flyer. When I press use brand template, it's going to open up the design to where I can edit. Now you can edit this page normally just as you would any Canva account, but I really want to show you the MLS connection today. Now if you have not done this, we're going to navigate over to the left hand side of the page. We're going to go to apps. Inside of apps, we're going to go up to the search bar here and we're going to type KW. We're going to search. This little icon will pop up. We're going to select it. Now, if you have not already connected this KW app into your Canva, you will not see this page yet. First, you will see a page asking you to press open and open up the application. Then a second page will ask you to connect your command to this. It's going to ask you to log back into command. And then once you log into command, it will sync the system and it'll pull in this page here. Now, what you're seeing here is the MLS listing search. You're able to search by address or search by the MLS. You can search by address, city, or zip code, and down below you're going to see My Listings and All Listings. Under My Listings would be all of your personal listings. Under All Listings, you're able to see all of the listings from every brokerage in the world. Now, this is not specific to any MLS that you belong to. This will be all over. Now, you can filter here by status, property type, price range, beds and baths. But one thing to note, always get permission from the listing agent before you use any of the photos in here. Same rules apply from the MLS to this section here. Now for the purpose of this video, I'm going to choose one listing and show you what this would look like as if you were using your own listing. Let's say this is my listing right here. When I click on this address, I'm able to see all of the images that automatically pull from the MLS. At the very top, you're also going to see a details section. This is where the title, the address, the original list price, current list price, description, and more pulls in. This makes it super easy to switch out the information from over here on the right hand side. To show you how this works, I'm going to choose any of these photos and I'm going to drag it into whatever photo slot I want it to go into. This makes it super easy to drag and replace all of these photos. Instead of uploading from the MLS every single time, you can also easily pull over details. For example, this address here, I can drag this until it fits right into the address slot. So you can go through and easily switch out all of this information. Thank you guys so much for watching. Keep an eye out for next week's video. I'll be showing you more about the Keller Williams folder and how folders inside of your KW Canva account work. Stay tuned.